Double delta by NQ on the 1.
Alrighty then, let's play a game of grab a bag.
Fib.NQ on the
and see how big a bag we can grab in the last 20 minutes of the markets. Let's do this.
DCDM NQ on the 1. Double delta by NQ on the 1.
Alrighty then, let me see if I can get us back to bottom left right here.
Double delta by NQ on the 1.
Okay, so tried to grab in on that. Looked like we were forming a little accumulation zone right there, but it broke right through. Let me identify this real quick here. Let's see, what do we got? We got a bleed out. Should have probably turned my audio box on before started into that play here. What's our time? 3:45.
The early market on close imbalance still sitting at 815 million to the buy side.
All right, so I got offsides on that one, on that double cross at the bottom there, and I'm getting punished for not following the rules there. Let's see. Hopefully this is not a bleed out and gets me back to my point. Okay, there is a cross there. I'll add back and see if I can get out of this there. Okay, I'm going to close out right there with a little bump saved me into the double cross. Usually, remember, double cross at the bottom of a zone tends to be a little move from right here into halfway all the way up to the top. Did not work on that one. Again, I've got a bigger account size, so I can work with it. I would not recommend that you do that. I would rather you just close out the position. If it didn't work right underneath there, you always can get a second chance or opportunity or look for another position. Let's look to see where we're at on the MACD. Remember, we're coming in here in the final minutes. We got divergence. This is the place to play here. So I'm going to look for, okay, I got a red Enigma. I'm going to go ahead and jump in on a red Enigma short. Stop will be above the Enigma red there. And we'll see if we can get a bit more. See if we can get our 750. There's a moonshot. All right, let's go half position here on a moonshot. We've got the
DCMNQ on the 1.
Now high time frame, we just got a harmonic kind of popping in there. So this looks like this is going to start a new accumulation zone. I'm going to delete this one because it really did not become one, but this is now becoming an accumulation zone.
Harmonic NQ on the
right
1.
here. So let's see if we get some crosses up top. What's our time? 3:47. We have 3 minutes until the crazy. You know what I'm talking about. We got the 350 algo coming. And there we go on a blue cross, closing it out. And there's my 350. I'm sorry, 750.
Double delta by NQ on the 2.
Baby, I don't understand this. Grilled cheese Obama sandwich. Hello. It's John C.
Alrighty then, winner chicken dinner. Double cross reversal up top. Then we got a moonshot down into a blue cross. Now, someone had asked if I could put the markers on. I feel like this gets a little bit messy. You guys tell me in the chat. Do you guys prefer to see all the text entries? So this gets messy for you. It gets a little bit messy for me personally. I like to rather not see it, but if you guys would like to see it, let me know. And as we go into the trading competition with the small account challenge here in February, I'll make a decision whether we have those on or off. And I may even add a toggle button so it can kind of, sometimes I don't want them around. They just kind of get messy. But yeah, we've got, saw all of the entries, exits. What do you guys think? You guys like to see them? Don't like to see them? Smash that like button. We got a few people hanging out here. I know this is a no announcement. Hey, quick, running out here. Going to grab a bag. I got my 750. So beautiful stuff there at the end of the day. Oh, PRZ cross to the long side right there. Again, we are on the ones right here. Remember, on the ones, you are going to be looking for tiny. I'm going to go ahead and switch over here to a tiny to see if I can add a bonus here. I've got my tiny ATM set off of the ones. Speed here on the ones is good for, well, it just went over 120, so it's not good now. It was good moments ago. So I'm also looking at the twos right above me. Let me look and see where we're at on the masher. Masher's not great anymore. We were in a perfect spot from before. Took this, you know, these plays around this area where we had something on a higher time frame. We had the masher touch. Nice little plays there. Right now we're kind of in the middle. So not the best plays here, but we can go for some tinies to add to that. Whoa, and a full drop out there. And there's an Enigma pop.
Balance 2.5 billion to the sell.
There's the 350 algo kicking right now. We got 10 minutes to the close.
Double delta by NQ on the 1.
We made over 750 in less than 5 minutes. $750 in 5 minutes. Beautiful. Okay, Alpha Omega's coming in there for the push-up. On the twos, we had a white cross down there. Let's go and take a look at that. Boom, right there. Nice little push-up and in. Let's see what that is worth there. That's a 33 tick up move. Was not 50, but it is a 33. So we will look for some continuation south when we get a play. Do we have a four-legged dog trap? Let's see. There's a leg. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of a 5. So don't know that we could call that a four-legged dog trap. There was a fifth there involved. Into the crab, pushing it down. So when harmonics are holding on this lower time frame, that tends to mean we're going to have continuation. So we'll be looking for a continuation play there. We're reacting to minor structures. I won't say minor, but a complex structure like a harmonic. Then I do want to be continuing to look for opportunities to the south side.
Divergence down NQ on the 8th.
Speed's coming in here up over, technically up over 200 now. Oh, it's down to 107 now. So within playable speed here on the twos now. Okay, let's look to see where's the cave. It's right here. F6. Boom. Okay, there's a spot. Oh, I want to get that. Oh, I don't have my tiny on. Where's my tiny ATM? Okay, totally just missed that. That's the cross we wanted to get in on. Stops right up above it there. Wanted to take that for a 510. Was a bit behind it on that, so we'll see if I get punished on that or if it's going to give me a little bit for my little bonus play there. There we go. Target's filled, and as I press the close, another set came in on a white cross on the ones. Sorry, I don't have you guys on the ones, so kind of hard to see there. All right, and we'll close it out right there. And now I am up 1100 on the day, live streaming for 9 minutes 28 seconds, less than 10 minutes for 1K. 1K in 10 minutes with the beautiful algo box. Now, that was in combination with our volume profile, again, one of my favorite things to play. If you guys are asking how I use volume profile, the caves is really my primary. I don't look at nodes much unless I'm looking for a target, but I would prefer to see caves. That's where I find the most value for me. It's easier, it's simple, I see it more specifically. It's things that people ignore. So jump in there, beautiful touch, coming right into the cave, and look at the reaction off of it. And we got a white cross along with it to help us to know that, hey, there's retail possibly looking for a little, they're trying to scalp it in, maybe going to the long side, they get wrecked. Same thing over here. They try to get in, boom, they get wrecked, boom. Perfect cross turning points there only with Algobox. Speaking of only at Algobox, yesterday I had no time because we were sending family off. Our family all left yesterday, so they're all back home and things. So we got the house back and all that kind of fun stuff, but I did not get out there and spend my time and edit the website. So the current Christmas offer is still there. The Enigma is still there on the website. It will be gone today. So I know yesterday was the absolute last day because I was going to go over there and edit the website, but I got a little tired. I'll be honest. I took a nap after the family left. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes all the fun stuff we do with the family is kind of exhausting. I mean, are you feeling me on that? It's sometimes it's a bit much, right? And just need a little break there on occasion. So I took the break yesterday evening, did not go and edit the website. But don't worry, I've got a full-time hire starting in January next year. So I get to focus on all this fun stuff, and I just get to have some folks go and modify all of that kind of stuff, so I don't have to do it. So you guys will be seeing a bit more of me. I get to focus on ICT, destroying them in a trading competition to show the world the nonsense that is ICT, and get an opportunity to do a lot of teaching, training in real time, real markets, and all that kind of fun stuff as we go into 2024. But again, we will not have the Enigma. While I'll be using the Enigma in those, that's it. We're done. 2023 was the year of the Enigma. If you got the Enigma, congratulations. We should make like a mug. If you're an Enigma player, we'll make an Enigma mug that only the Enigma players have, something like that as we go into 2024. But hey, the system is great without it. Those were some great white cross plays there. PRZ cross plays were awesome. You don't have to have the Enigma, but if you did want the Enigma, today's the last day, so hop into it. We got 5 minutes till the close. Market is doing some interesting stuff here. We might have another spot here for a bit more of a bonus. I hit my winner chicken dinner +1. If you are keeping track there on bottom left. So I got my 5 trade sheet right here. You guys can see my hands over here on the left. That is a physical sheet that I've got. You want to print one of those out for yourself, you can do so inside of our Discord room. Remember, our Discord room is free. Someone asked the other day, hey, so how does your live trade room work? You know, everybody expects that there's somebody telling them what to do all the time and whatnot. When you install Algobox on your system, it is a trade room in a box. And maybe we kind of use that as one of our monikers going into the new year. That the Algobox, it is a trade room in a box, open 24 hours a day. Turn it on your system and it's there. But you don't need to rely on me or some guru telling you when and where to get in. I've taught you how to use it. The system is there for you anytime, 24 hours a day. So yeah, use the system. You can use it in market replay, sim, or if you decide to use it with live accounts, don't forget trading is risky. But if trading is for you, this might be the place for you. If you guys got questions, pop them over there in the chat. I'll be here for a few more minutes. We're going to watch the close, and I'm just going to be silent for a minute. Looking for questions if you guys have them. There's a nice, beautiful moonshot just came in there on the ones. If you see this one right here, if you're looking for a play, that's a little bit of a high speed. That speed is 433 right now. So if you weren't able to react on that, no surprise, but that is a beautiful moonshot play to the upside here. Let's see what that's given even on the cross entry. If you are specifically moonshot only, that gave you 26 ticks to the upside on that moonshot play right there. All right, here in the drilling, coming in there, we got now 2 minutes to the close. Let me see if I missed any questions there. I'm gonna get used to this thing sooner or later. There we go. Okay, now let me open this and expand it up. There we go. What's up, Zuddy? Says thank you, Vinny. Appreciate it. God bless. Ah, you too, my friend. I wish ICT would show up, but we know the coward won't. He has talked so much, but, you know, regardless of even if he does show up, there will be zero transparency. So we're going to be pointing that out. You know, him YOLO trading in the background, you know, oh no, guys, trust me. Just trust me, bro. ICT's trading is just trust me, bro, trading. It's a nice strategy. Just trust me, bro, trading. I'm loving it. Oh, yeah. Damien's reminding us, press that like button. Go ahead and do it. We got 20 likes. We can get a few more.
Delta sell NQ on the 1. DCDM NQ on the 1.
Hey, Tom. How are you, Mr. Roberts?
On the 2. Double Delta by
Happy 2024.
Double Delta by NQ on the 1.
Life-changing money in 10 minutes. Yep, that was all in 10 minutes. Got to 1,000. I was trying to come out here mentally to go for 750. I told you guys before, if you're punching in 750 a day, so if you do 500, you're at about, you know, 100K a year. If you're doing 750, you're somewhere in the neighborhood between 200 and 250K a year. And 750, again, this is all my opinion. Everything I say out here is my opinion. You know, I'm not stating anything as facts or guaranteeing that you're going to do any of this, but my opinion is it is a very doable target on average 750 a day with our system, particularly within 2 to 5 trades in a session.
Double Delta NQ on the 1.
And again, try it out for yourself. Use it in Sim. Our system is completely unlocked. If you're using the 2-week free trial, we're not holding anything back there. Have a good time with it. So obviously our psychology module is telling us, you know, it's tricky time to play. Speed is not ideal. Right now it's at 285 on the 1s. Even on the 2s, it's over 110. Oh, it just went to 106. So now it is viable here, but here's the close. So we're at the close here now. Beautiful stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of that live stream. I will try to be doing some morning sessions as the kids get back into school and things. We'll be trying to get them all warmed up. So it'll be a little bit, but as we go into February, when everybody's all kind of settled in, I will try to adjust our schedules here to do some more morning streams as well as the afternoon ones that are obviously kind of my bread and butter, my favorites. But yes, our system works quite well in the mornings. We have many traders trading in the morning. Some people trading even before the US Open. We've got people from around the world who are trading even the London sessions, the Asian sessions as well. Remember, my suggestion, if you are going to trade those other sessions, that make sure that there is a macroeconomic event that has occurred that day scheduled, such as maybe the Bank of Japan news event or an FOMC day, so that you get that extra volatility and movement if you're going to be trading what we call the US after hours as you are trading other markets around the world. But those timings, you know, for good or better or whatever, we just know the facts are that the most movement is going to happen during the US session. For now, as of right now, that's what occurs. You know, a lot of macro events are occurring around the world, from China, Russia, Ukraine, stuff going on in the EU. And, you know, we're blessed to be able to do what we do right now. Things could change at any moment. But for now, well, I don't want to say that with our system. With our system, it should be able to be used on any markets in the current, you know, the way things work. We're looking at the exact things that you need to play if you're going to be trading the markets. Anything that you're going to be doing from a technical analysis standpoint, it's going to have structure, it's going to have depth, it's going to have order flow, volumetric analysis, and timing, which are some of the biggest things. Now, I am not using timings right now on our live stream. I will be doing it when I am doing our competition. I'm going to be putting on all of my normal stuff. I come out here on a more simplified layout when I'm coming out here to showcase our stuff right now, just because tends to be that people's eyes cross when they see all 5 of my charts that we're using with 5 time frames, etc. But when it's all competition mode and I'm putting my competition hat on, I will be pulling out all the stops. I will try to explain more. I will have follow-up explainer videos of looking at the things that we have. But I know that our charts, our biggest trolling is that, oh, these busy charts. Your charts are so busy you can't see the price.
Up NQ on the 8.
Yeah, we hear that, but we also are doing better than all these other groups. So maybe think on that. So cool. If you guys got any suggestions or questions about operations, hop into our Discord channel chat. Remember, it is open and free to the public. Lots of people there to answer questions. And of course, I'm there as well. If any questions get missed, I will try to follow up with them. On Mondays, we do Mentorship Mondays. So if you want to come and have a chat with me, head out here to one of our live streams on a Monday evening, and we can have a chat. We'll open up the microphones to have a chat like that, to bring your questions if you're a new member, or if you are just, you've been around a while, but you had some questions. We'll get all those answered on Mondays typically. And we also have an Ask Questions section. If something needs a video, there is a good place to put your questions there. That something needs more in-depth answering so that you can see it in a chart. We'll do it there, as well as a actual request for video section. So if you would like to see a specific video, hey Vinny, can you do a video on? Please put that in the requested videos section. We'll be doing a lot of the training videos, kind of getting a revamp with our kind of latest look and feel. That also more emphasizes the most recent and most powerful technology that we have in AlgoBox. If you have watched our training that is currently available, it includes both, obviously, but there is, previous emphasis on things that are less, what would I say? I don't want to say they're less powerful, but there are things that have gotten better. I'll put it that way. So that is coming into the new year. I'll be doing more PowerPoint presentation style video trainings in that one. And then those will get migrated to our website. So you'll be able to have your own login and go to a section where you can check off as you are going through the training modules. So lots of good stuff coming into 2024. And I will send it off right here. For me, Peppy, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and Eddie B. I am sending out that big H-Town. See ya.
NQ on the 1.